Yeah, OP has been really on fire. Okay, and this might be an amazing buying opportunity for OP based on a saucer bottom. Okay, so let's actually do one quick Google and let's talk about the saucer bottom because I see a 200% 3x potential move for OP. Yeah, 200%. You heard me right because that's a pattern, guys. That is a pattern, and you're making this saucer bottom, and you're actually coming up and breaking the neckline. This is how it looks like. So you did have a downtrend prior to that. You went down, make something like this, came up, and then you try to break it out, and then boom, you start to move higher. So number one on the daily, OP made three white soldier. Okay, so if I do show you three white soldier, which is gonna be this one, three white soldier. That's actually continuation pattern to move even way more higher. So if I do show you three white soldiers, it's gonna be this candle, which is three green candles back to back, and that's actually very positive to continue higher. Of course, you might make a little bit of a break and then start to move higher. Now, the only way to explain three white soldier is this pattern right over there. If you look at it, look at this pattern, then that's exactly what three white soldier really is. Three white soldier, a little bit of a correction down, and then move higher. Again, three white soldier, a little bit of a correction down here, and then move up once again. So you don't want to take out the lowest part, which is going to be $0.8. If you do take out $0.8, that's going to be invalidating the whole bullish candlestick pattern to continue higher. Now, the technical target for OP comes from a whooping top to the bottom here, and you're looking for a technical journey from this breakout and a successful retest of a $4.3, man. That's incredible. If a entry comes down here, that's 214% move. That's 3x or 2x. That's actually 3x, man. Really, 3x. That's incredible. And I'm looking forward to take this trade as well. So if you're not in our signals in our Discord, signal is a little bit paid. Today's the last day for the entry, and for the August entry, that today's July, and tomorrow is going to be the last day actually, and you can join it. So if you want to know when we're going to trade it, you can actually join the Discord. So I do reckon you're going to have a little bit of a pullback, come down here, perhaps to that level, and then from here make a successful retest, move higher. And that's it for this OP update. I'm going to actually talk the next one, which is going to be Ethereum Classic right now. Another coin that is super